what you're seeing over here is the absolute devastation caused by Cyclone Finjal at Virupuram district, where it's completely water everywhere. These are the areas where Mailam is one place in Virupuram where 50 centimeters of water was recorded, and that's what you see at over there. That is not a river, but on one side is actual road which is completely inundated, and volunteers here are trying to help vehicles pass through this particular road by actually standing and helping. In fact, you could see one of the bikes that is trying to go through that spot. These are the volunteers that are actually helping them one after the other, because this is the only prominent road that kind of connects this area to Virupuram main bus stand, but there is no other way to reach the spot because over there it's up to your hip level water, and for like our house and everything is completely inundated. And this is the kind of brunt Cyclone Finjal has left at Virupuram district. The situation is really kind of difficult at Virupuram, and this is one of the locations called Pandinagar where the water is nearly 2 feet and above, and it is really difficult for people to walk. And this is the path people have to go through because there are nearly 500 people stranded inside the place. And what's happening is that SDRF has reached the space and they're trying to help people. But one thing is that there are actually like high level areas and low lying areas as well, and people are requesting support because the highway that actually connects this particular area is also inundated, and this is the flowing water which is coming from that direction, and it has to cross the highway and go through that side, and that is where the actual difficulty is, and people are suffering. And what's happening is that for nearly 24 hours people are stuck over here, and they claim that nothing is visible underneath, and that is why everything gets kind of difficult for these people. In fact, we are walking in under nearly submerged in 2 feet of water, and from here you have to cross to that spot, and even after that there are spaces which is under kind of like water, and one after the other there are volunteers who are trying to help as well, and they claim that the water is up to their chest level. But even after that people are trying to actually go through this spot, and these are volunteers who are trying to help them to go to their homes. Actually, people, general public are over here. SDRF is also at this spot trying to help each other at this very difficult moment, and this is one such location called as Pandinagar. Like various other places also there is a kind of like a highway that is inundated, and that is all because of Cyclone Finjal that made a landfall yesterday. Puducherry got 48 centimeters of rain. However, this area, certain places, got 50 centimeters of rain, and these are the people, young volunteers, who've been helping and trying to bring people from that area to this area just by holding their hand or giving their shoulder. That way people here, humanity is still alive, but they're still requesting the government to help them, and the boat has also arrived to help the people over here. This is Virupuram, which definitely needs a lot of attention and help. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.